Are you looking for the best compact cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best compact cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 II. As a travel photographer, I'm used to lugging around a sizable camera setup with multiple lenses, and it can get heavy. The new Sony ZV-E10 II was a welcome respite from this, with its lightweight profile clocking in under 1 pound. It's also extremely versatile, with the option to mix and match E-mount lenses. The model comes with a 16 to 50mm lens, which I found great for everything from landscape to portraits, and even wildlife. The camera offers the option to shoot in automatic or manual modes as well as JPEG or RAW files, which I appreciate as a more advanced photographer. Video quality is fantastic at 4K, with up to 60 frames per second, making this a great choice for photographers, vloggers, and content creators of all kinds. It performs well in low-light situations such as in restaurants shooting flat lays of meals as well. This camera also has solid battery life, which is important when you're out exploring the world for a full day. The details: 13.3 ounces, 4.63 by 2.75 by 2.25 inches, APS-C XMR or CMOS sensor, interchangeable E-mount lenses, 16 to 50mm in kit, 26 megapixels, 4K/60p and HD/120p shutters. Number 2. Insta360 X-T30 Selfie Stick. This waterproof camera is so great for solo and outdoor travel videos. Because it's waterproof and easy to use, you can even record videos while at the beach, skiing, or enjoying other outdoor adventures. My favorite functionality is the Me mode that utilizes an invisible selfie stick to film from all sorts of fun angles, says T+L Senior Editor Lydia Price. It's also lightweight and very tough. I've never worried about breaking it while filming around rocks or flying down a ski slope. When it comes to adventure videos, we also love that the camera uses a flow state stabilization and horizon lock to provide smooth images that are fun to watch again and again. The details: 6.3 ounces, 0.91 by 1.81 by 4.49 inches, CMOS sensor, fixed wide-angle lens, 26 megapixels, 5 shutter settings. Number 3. GoPro Hero 12 Black. Taking photos and videos while snorkeling, rafting, and tubing can be such a fun way to share your experiences, but not all cameras are made for underwater use. I have broken many phones from bringing them on rugged adventures like hiking and rafting, says Associate Editor Anna Pop. So I'm a big fan of how durable this camera is, especially the waterproof design. Uploading photos and videos to smartphones is simple with the easy-to-use Quick app. We also love that this little device easily fits in pockets, so you can quickly take photos and videos. It's also easy to figure out how to take photos at different angles and widths since the manual is helpful for beginner photographers. The details: 5.4 ounces, fixed wide-angle lens, 27 megapixels, 1/8 to 30 seconds in photo mode, 1/480 to 1/30 seconds in video mode. Shutter speeds. Number 4. Ricoh GR3 Digital Camera. We love the Ricoh GR3 digital camera for its abundant customization options. It's compact and lightweight, and features plenty of filter effects and customization options, says T+L's Senior Manager for Studio Operations, Kevin Orellana. It's jam-packed with features and settings like film simulation, macro, and interval composite modes, so you can tailor your images to be shot in your own individual style. It's a great camera for any photography level and will allow you to capture striking images while traveling. The details: 9.07 ounces, 4.3 by 2.4 by 1.3 inches, APS-C CMOS sensor, 28mm fixed lens f/2.8, 24 megapixels, fixed touchscreen LCD, 1920x1080p at 23.98/29.97/59.94 fps, Full HD 1080/60p video recording. Number 5. Fujifilm X-T30 II. Updates. Writer Asia London Paloma loves pretty much everything about the Fujifilm X-T30 II, but especially its built-in filters. With 18 film simulation filters available, such as sepia or monochrome, you can add some extra vintage creativity and style as a nod to nostalgia with Fujifilm's famous analog film and photo finishing. Transferring images to your smartphone or computer is a breeze with wireless and Bluetooth technology, and controls can be executed quickly using the Fujifilm Camera Remote app, allowing you to control exposure or remotely release the shutter for long exposures or selfies. The app also has the ability to compress images to 3 MB for transferring, so they don't take up a ton of memory. The details: 13.3 ounces, 4.7 by 3.3 by 1.8 inches, APS-C, X-Trans CMOS 4 with primary color filter, 15 to 45 mm or 18 to 55 mm lens, 26.1 megapixels, 0.39-inch OLED color viewfinder, up to 30 frames per second for up to 29 frames, JPEG/17 frames, RAW,